Hello everybody, welcome to our channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to edit photos in your stock gallery. If you want to edit photos on VIVO X300 stock gallery, it's very simple and I'll show you how to do it. So open up your albums, get the picture you want to edit and click edit right here. So basically there is a lot of options how to edit your photo. You can adjust it, add filters. So let's add the filter, and here you can adjust the quality of the filter. So let's make like this. Then you have a beauty edits like makeup, trim, beautify, skins and all these things. You can crop up your image. You can turn it on or turn it on the sides. You can mirror it, and you can use AI retouch. Here you can change the resolution, image quality, and when to save it, you can overwrite original image or save as a new image. So as you can see, I have an edited photo and not edited photo. So basically that's it. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.